Okay, so let me do a recap real quick. I got my quad stuck in a tree. We went to Tony's house to get the air cannon to shoot some tennis balls at it so we could get it out of a tree. On the way back, his Sprite exploded in the car. We had to pull over, clean ourselves off. We got creeped on by at least 2 different cars, and then we made it back to the spot. Now we're gonna shoot my quad out of this stupid tree. Hopefully we get it back. We'll see what happens. Got him. Good morning. It's the weekend. Time for another vlog. Oh, I'm so excited. How about you? Ready to go fly? So we got a lot to do today. Not just flying. I got to go to Best Buy. I'm breaking GoPros, so let's go get that swapped out. I also need a tripod for the vlog cam. My wife needed the other vlog cam, so she took the tripod, and now I don't have one, so I need one. We need stuff. We need stuff. Let's go get stuff. That's so cool. Hey everybody, guess what? I'm an idiot and I deleted a bunch of my footage. Yeah, I accidentally started deleting before all my files had copied over to the place I was trying to copy them to, and I didn't see the little thing that it wasn't done yet, and I thought it was already done, so I hit the delete button and started deleting before I realized I wasn't finished downloading, and I lost a bunch of stuff for the intro, so it's gonna look a little weird. Sorry. Maybe I'll throw something together. I'm gonna try and piece it together pretty well, but if it doesn't go well, then we're just gonna cut right to the action. Just get on with the vlog, like right at the first spot. So I had some pretty good B-roll in there, if I do say myself. You know, probably not expert, you know. Anyway, whatever. Let's go out to the first spot and we'll pick up there where I got my quad stuck. Go roll around on the board a bit. Oh, bobbing. Whoa. That's pretty dope. Bunch of gaps. Bunch of cool stuff. Right around here. That's gonna happen. Because why not? Let's go into the trees here. Oh, let's go hit a tree gap. What do you say? Tree gap accomplished. Oh, we missed that one. Missed out on that. Let's go over here. Proximity tree. Oh, proximity. Sweet. That was dope, right? Alright, so I'm about to tear up Mcflight spot just because that's what I do. I go to homie spots and I tear it up and then they go away feeling really bad. It happens to everybody. Alright, for real though, we're out at Mcflight spot. You may have seen it in one of his videos. I don't know, he posted something recently at this place. Anyway, check it out. Yeah, I'm gonna fly it. Let's go fly. Let's go rip. let's go rip some packs. Let's go fly some shit. Okay, so let me do a recap real quick. I got my quad stuck in a tree. We went to Tony's house to get the air cannon to shoot some tennis balls at it so we could get it out of a tree. On the way back, his Sprite exploded in the car. We had to pull over, clean ourselves off. We got creeped on by at least 2 different cars, and then we made it back to the spot. Now we're gonna shoot my quad out of this stupid fucking tree, and hopefully we get it back. We'll see what happens.
Got him. God damn it. Fucking bullshit.
Oh, it's still going.
Yeah, it's around.
It might come down. I don't
know. It will come down, but it's not in the right gap. I mean, it'll probably work, but
yeah.
God damn it.
Let's see.
God damn it. That's stupid. Fucking. That first shot, it would have knocked it out like right away after we put this road up. Laying on your face.
All right, buddy. So what do you think? We're gonna get it, or
we
what?
had a couple hiccups, but it's not a huge deal. We're about to get it. So just scope this B-roll. You better have it in 60 frames per second. 120 frames per second. 120.
I don't have it in there.
Oh, buddy! Oh, buddy!
Right the fuck there.
Oh, buddy!
I just need to get this one.
Just shake the whole branch down.
Oh!
Oh, it was at it!
Oh, that would have been the shot!
That was at it.
Unplug. That's dope.
Fuck yeah, we got it. Boom!
Good shit. Let's fly!
Thanks,
Fucking
Yeah, it's fine.
Mcflight Pro Quad Rescue. Who needs Crispy Dave?
How long was that with the fuck ups?
My hands are like light balls, dude. Check it out. Need a little light for a shoot? Right there. Boom. Got it.